Hey guys, look what we have. We have a package from Diamond Press, and I think I know what this is. This video, by the way, is sponsored by Diamond Press, and this is something that they had sent us to play with. So let's look at what it is. I'm a little excited. Woohoo! Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It looks like a machine. Oh my gosh, guys. It is a machine, an upside down machine for now. Oh my gosh. It is a bigger diamond press machine, guys. Look at that. This is what the regular machine, their machine looks like. And now, it's now got a mama. It's a mama machine, guys. Let's open it up and see. Oh, Andrew, guys. Oh my gosh. I love the color. And I'm assuming this will be the plates. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this machine is now available in HSN. So check it out. Check it out, guys. Thank you, Diamond Press, for sending this to me. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys know how much I love Diamond Press. OMG, look at all this goodies. So it looks like we will have all this, and wow, card making stuff too. And they still have them, they also still have the folders. Then they have embossing folders here. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this already. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Things that we could do with this folders. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. And then of course, these are our cutting folders. And it came with 2 folders for your dies, for the bigger dies now. There's more stuff in here, guys. Stamps. We have beautiful, you're the best, I love you for all your help. How are you, friend? So very much. Sunshine for everything, little one. And then you can make it up. You're awesome, birthday girl and birthday boy. A bunch. Oh, so cute. And then, not to mention, they have, oh my gosh, they have this beautiful dice to go with it. Yay! Thank you, and let's play with this, guys. Okay guys, let's play with this and see how it cuts. I'm a little excited because I plan to do a scrapbook layout using this. If you have watched the HSN, today's value on this machine, they have plenty, I'm telling you, plenty of card samples showing you the different kinds of materials this baby can cut. But I want to play with this and start showing you how it is to put together some of the embellishments. I'm going to start cutting some embellishments using all this for a layout that we're going to have in the next video. Anyway, let's start playing. I'm a little bit excited to start playing and cutting the embellishments that I plan to use. So let's start with this border. Oh my gosh. And you know guys, Diamond Press has never disappointed me. So let's check this out if Hopefully it won't disappoint me this time, but let's still check it out. This is how I'm going to cut it. Put the paper on top. The cut side is up. You can also put the cut side down, but when you do that, you put the paper down first, okay? But you can see it here too. See, you can see it this way. You can feed this to the machine this way or this way, so whichever way. Let's play it with this way though, and let's cut. I'm just going to press this down so that there's going to be the suction happening here. So I just pressed it down. I'm just going to hold it and just roll it. Oh my gosh, how easy is this, guys? However easy is this? So let's see how it goes on the other end. And oh my gosh, guys, how easy is that, and how easy is it to take out? Okay, look at all this stuff here, and that's okay, don't worry about it. That's just, but see how it cuts. It cuts so clean. And then if you want to clean this out, you can get the brush, but look, I'm just tapping it and it's already coming out. So, or if you want, another way to get rid of all this stuff in here is just, see that? See what I did? And look, it's clean. So of course, it all went all over my thing here, but that's not a problem. Putting it back here, putting it back there. So I have my first embellishment here for my layout. I'm gonna put this on the side, I'll put that over there. So what I want to do next is this right here that I'm going to take next. This one here is actually for cards. I'm not going to use it for cards this time. I'm going to do something else this time. But I'm going to lay it on here. This is the paper that I want to show. So obviously I'm going to put this cut down. And then get our folder here. Guys, don't worry if the folder starts warping. It doesn't affect its cutting capabilities. It is going to still be working really good. And you know, it's like the other ones that we've had where it kind of warps up. Don't worry about that. It will still be good. It'll still be okay. So I'm just gonna hold it down so it won't move. I am not having any effort rolling this handle. Easy. So just final, and then boom, boom. Look, one pass, guys, one pass. This is what I love about Diamond Press. One pass and you're good to go. I'm going to place that back. Let me clean my surface. This is bothering me. Okay, so I have now 2 cuts. Now the next cut, what I want to do is to cut some leaves. I already have my paper here, and I want some leaves on this. To cut some leaves. Just, that's the hardest part, guys. Peeling the dies off of the carrier. But other than that, everything's cool. Now these are smaller dies. Can I use my smaller, my baby machine? Of course I can. Anytime I can use this. But I have Big Mama right now, and I want to show you how Big Mama is so cool in cutting this. Easy as pie. There you go. One pass, and there you go. You got good, clean cuts in one pass. How easy is this, guys? So if you buy an option to buy auto ship, which means they will send you, HSN will send you every, I think it's 2 or 3 months, another set of dies, stamps, and folders. So check it out, guys, in HSN. Also, you can check this out in diamondpress.com. I'm going to put the link down in the description below, and so you can see everything that Diamond Press has. HSN has also more inventory in there, so check that out too. Guys, what do you think so far? I am loving this system. Plus, you know, let me show you the difference between my Cuttlebug, the size of my Cuttlebug, and my Cuttlebug is a very supposedly compact machine, and I'm not sure if they still have it, There's a size difference, guys. Look at that. Look at that, really. It's about 2/3 the size of a portable Cuttlebug. Is it heavier? Actually, this is so much lighter. Plus, you don't have to bring all those plates. A lot of the dies that are coming out in the market are waffle thin dies. And what are the waffle thin dies? This is the waffle thin dies, guys. I like the quality of Diamond Press. And I'm not just saying this because they gave me the machine. Guys, I have been scrapbooking since 2000, year 2000. I have had a store in Hawaii and I've sold a lot of dies in my career, during my career. This by far is the best that I've seen. Wait guys, let's keep moving. I want to play with the flowers. The flowers are are the ones that I really want to play with. Like I said, this is the hardest part. It's just taking it out of the carrier. But the rest, guys, easy peasy. I want to cut this flower using this paper. And then what I want to is use this as a background. And then, you know what? Let's cut all these flowers using this paper. Let's play with this. See how it works. Okay, so there. So all you have to do, and the best part about this is that because it's clear, you can see where your dies are. You know, if you want to save some paper, you just push this die up there. And really guys, let me just pull one more die here and cut it all in one pass. Okay, so we have 5 dies here, and let's cut them all in one pass. Oh my gosh, look at how gorgeous this cut is. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that, and look at this flower. I don't have a pick. I actually have a pick, but the best thing to do if you don't have a pick to push this flower is just go like that. Just drop it on the table and boom. And look at all the mess that I made. So anyway, guys, here are the flowers I have created, right? So I'm going to put this and do it this way, and then this one can go right there, or I can do it this way. Aren't those pretty, guys? Or you can do it this way with this. Aren't those gorgeous, guys? So very pretty. And we can even put this on top there. I'm gonna turn this over and make that a yellow center. Aren't those gorgeous? I am so loving this. Now that I have made a mess, but you can see what I have created here. Such beautiful, beautiful product. And then you can use those as your embellishments for your cards. I'm cutting this and creating them for a layout. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching, and thumbs up if you like Diamond Press. And hurry up and check out HSN. They have different colors of this machine. They also have this metallic gold. I'm not really sure if they still have it. I'm going to place the link down in the description below for Diamond Press and also for HSN. And if you have any questions, hit me up. I also still have the giveaway, the My Scrappiness giveaway. I'm going to put place the link down in the description below so you can also check that out. And that's it for now, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you had fun just as much as I did. And that's it. And I'll catch you guys later.